welcome to our look at the upcoming week in binary options for the week of August 31st. You can see I have the economic calendar in front of you, and really not a lot going on for Monday beyond retail sales out of Germany and CPI out of the EU. After that, we have Tuesday, we have the RBA interest rate decision that, of course, will influence the Australian dollar, but really not much beyond that. Tuesday also has unemployment out of Germany. That, of course, is very big, as well as manufacturing PMI for the DAX and probably the euro as well. We have PMI, manufacturing PMI, that is, coming out of the UK, so that could move the pound and the FTSE, of course, and the unemployment rate in the EU, which, of course, will move the euro. With that, we go to the PMI numbers out of Canada and the United States as well on Tuesday. So really, we should have a global volatility in most stock indices that you would follow. GDP out of Australia leads the way for Wednesday. That, of course, is another Australian dollar event. We have PPI out of the EU, and that, of course, can move various stock markets out of the European Union. We have ADP employment change on Wednesday. This is the non-farm Friday week out of America, and that gives us a general idea of where employment could be going. And then, of course, we have the crude oil stocks change, and that could be very interesting this week because we've seen such a jump in the price of oil. As we go later in the week, we have an interest rate decision coming out of the EU on Thursday. That, of course, is big for the euro, but don't expect it to move the markets as per normal, just simply because of Friday's jobs number. Everything else that comes out on Friday will take a back seat. As I alluded to earlier, oil's had a pretty strong week. We're testing 45. If we can break over 45, that's a huge deal. Probably heading to 52. So we're going to wait to see if that happens. If we do, we're going to see call buying opportunities to about $52. The euro's had a very strange week. We ended up forming a shooting star as we broke out to the upside, and then it looks like we're not quite ready to give up the ghost yet. So we could see below 1.12, put buying opportunities to about 1.10, possibly even as low as 1.08. Gold markets tried to continue the uptrend, but really just kind of fell flat this week. We are seeing a little bit of a bounce from 1120. We think that this market's going to be very range bound, so look for short-term back and forth type of trading. With that, we've taken a look at the upcoming week of August 31st in the binary options market.